विमेंस डे ऐसा किसी ने बोल दिया तो आपके दिमाग में क्या आता है?
Women are some of the most underappreciated.
Every day is a women's day.
Women stand for so many things.
कभी लगता है बचपन में वापस जाएं.
Wow, what do you mean like पूरा time मस्ती करते रहते? लाइफ का पूरा पॉइंट ही है मस्ती करना. I don't know who created Women's Day, but I think जो भी इंसान था वो जानता था कि women are underappreciated.
Imagine that you have 24 hours and उस 24 hours में you get a chance to swap your life with any woman in your life. Who would that be and why?
I'd probably swap my life with a niece of mine because I really have a lot of fun looking at them.
I have such amazing friends, and if I swap my life for a day, I probably won't have them as friends. So
जैसे मेरी शादी बहुत जल्दी हो गई थी. जो शादी के पहले का जो समय, उस समय कुछ कुछ चीजें करनी रह गई थी. कभी लगता है बचपन में वापस जाएं.
I would love to swap with Lakshmi auntie. She's our house help. Even she has been through so much hardship, but she's so good at heart.
What is fun for you? अगर आपको let's say एक दिन मिल जाए where there are no strings attached, like you don't have any work, you don't have any family to look, like nothing, it's just you and the world. What would you like to do in that day?
तो मैं सुबह जल्दी नहीं उठूंगी. सोऊंगी आराम से, अपना मस्ती मारेंगे उस दिन सारा दिन.
to just sit with my gals and just gossip my day away and with over chai, nashta.
What you described, it's my everyday life. I am after all the youngest in the family.
Spending a maximum time with the people I have a great time with.
What is it about you कि आपको लगता है कि ये बात किसी ने समझी नहीं कभी? That only I know and no one, even my like parents or my daughters or like whoever is in your life, no one is able to understand that one part of you.
मुझे तो ऐसा नहीं लगता है.
I think for a long time my dad had no clue that I am creative. So one day I brought home a lot of work because there was an event the next day and I had to prepare some things. They're like, "You made these? You can make all this?" Nika, yes, Papa. And they're like, wow. And that time I realized, he doesn't know that big thing about me, that I'm so creative.
We don't need to know everything about each other, and that's why life stays interesting till the end. You find out more, you learn more, right?
What is your idea of skincare? आप क्या skincare करते हो? Whatever your thoughts on skincare are, I would like to know that.
तो उस जमाने में उतना स्किन केयर का हम लोगों को तो नॉलेज नहीं था, लेकिन थोड़े बड़े हुए तो थोड़ा कुछ कुछ समझ में आया. अब मैं जब से Zest यूज करने लगी हूँ, डेफिनेटली Zest इज अ ग्रेट product, no doubt about it.
You know, people always say that when you're super young, there's no point of putting a lot of skincare on you. But I did start using it very early because मुझे मजा आता था.
Over the last, I think 5-6 years, I've started using Zest and I've been very happy with it.
It's really amazing. It's so great that you guys are here, lovely ladies. Thank you so much for being here and happy Women's Day to everyone.